Jatend migao mar somo Ezekiel Machogu okwedo wach maliekore ni penj mar higa mokalo mar klas 12 ne okwal. Kata kamano odwaro japiny moro amora manigi ranyisi ni penyno ne okwal mondo chwal ote mare kaluwore ni somo ema kelo dongruok. Machogu ne wuoyo gi jofwambo kwedo wach makamano. Kata kamano bende pod olero ni ng'ama nigi ranyisi nyalo chiwo wach e lela kendo siemo jogo mawacho weche ma ok kony bero weche mag somo.
Let me tell you that if there was cheating, we have the media with us. And I said the media is in all over every part of this country. Even at that particular time, the media should have covered that here there is cheating. So when I tell you that from where I sit, there was no cheating, and those examiners, what is the role of a chief examiner? And you have taken an oath. You have signed a contract, a form, that indeed if there is anything irregular, you will be able to report to the chief examiner at that particular room, and then there is somebody now covering the entire center out of the 35 centers we have. Why? And they have their forms. For heaven's sake, why didn't anybody fill the form to say, Buenos CS, me, as I'm marking this exam for this school, I've noticed 1, 2, 3. So when people start rumor-mongering in matters exam, I tell them kindly, do your rumor-mongering, do your propaganda in all other areas, but not on education. Education is key for the development of this country. And I request each and every Kenyan, if you have tangible evidence that this is the case, why don't you come forward with it?